Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Executives of companies listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange have advised investors of their latest moves to buy and sell their own stock. Jamaican Teas Limited has advised that during the period July 29 to July 31, 2025, a director sold a total of 527,143 Jamaica Teas shares. Tropical Battery Company Limited has advised that connected parties purchased a total of 46,600 Tropical shares on August 22, 2025. Regency Petroleum Company Limited has advised that a connected party sold 500,000 Regency shares on August 19, 2025. Supreme Ventures Limited has advised that during the period August 12 to 18, 2025, connected parties purchased a total of 200,000 Supreme Ventures shares. Yellow Media Group, provider of the traditional Yellow Pages phone directory, is moving away from third-party digital marketing services such as website development, social media advertising, and content creation. Instead, Yellow Pages will invest more in findyellow.com listing management services to bring greater results for businesses across 21 markets in the Caribbean region. The company says findyellow.com, which attracts over 4.8 million users annually, is receiving a user experience refresh with AI-enhanced listings. For the trading period ending August 25, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited US dollar shares with 28,240,014 units traded, representing 54% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited Jamaican dollar shares with 6,592,203 units traded, representing 12.61% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,354,797 units traded, representing 4.5% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On August 25, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $61.63 million was purchased and US $54.98 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.88 per dollar, selling the US at $160.81 and buying the US at $158.93. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $3.78 per transaction, with selling at $117.95 and buying at $114.17. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.33 in profits, with selling at $216.43 and buying at $214.10. For our credit report tip of the day, do you think your credit score doesn't matter? Well, think again. Every time you ignore your credit report, you could be losing thousands, paying more in interest, or missing out on opportunities to grow your wealth. Here are a few ways ignoring your credit score can hurt you. You may be paying unnecessary late fees, you may not be spotting fraudulent activity, and you may have missed errors on your report. And of course, the stress when applying for credit. When you are building something from nothing and you're moving from financial recovery to financial resilience or better, you know that money has seasons just like life. As a professional woman over 45, we can harness nature's cycles to guide our business growth, plan our finances, and make smarter decisions without burning out. By blending classic money wisdom with the rhythms of the earth, we map out strategies that are intentional, sustainable, and fully aligned with our next chapter of success. So here are ways to connect money to nature's cycles in your business planning. 1. Budget for growth initiatives. 2. Invest in professional training. 3. Map networking opportunities to seed relationships. And finally, consider a 90-day marketing calendar. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.